Hello, and welcome to the DbSchema channel. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to connect DbSchema to your database. Before we dive into the connection steps, let's quickly highlight some of its main features. Visualize your schema with intuitive diagrams. Collaborate with your team on schema design through Git integration. Add comments and generate HTML5 documentation for easy sharing. Run SQL queries directly using the built-in SQL Editor. Edit and view data with the Relational Data Editor and Query Builder. Now, let's get started with the connection process. On the main screen, click Connect to Database. You will see a list of database options here. Select Snowflake. If you are connecting for the first time, DbSchema will automatically download the JDBC driver for you. Now, to connect to Snowflake, we will need your account URL. Head over to the Snowflake Console and copy the URL, which looks something like this. Back in DbSchema, in the connection dialog, select Standard for a quick setup. Now, paste the account URL you copied into the server host or IP field. Then, enter your username and password. Once you've entered all the details, click Connect. Here, check the boxes for the schemas you want to include. DbSchema will then connect and automatically reverse engineer your database, generating a clear, easy-to-understand diagram that organizes your tables and relationships. If you prefer more control over the connection settings, choose Edit manually instead. Here's how. Enter the JDBC URL in this format. Replace your account URL with your actual Snowflake URL. Then add your username and password and click Connect. After you check the boxes for the schemas you want to include, DbSchema will instantly reverse engineer your database. And that's it. You're now connected to Snowflake and DbSchema, ready to explore, visualize, and manage your data seamlessly. Thank you for watching. Be sure to explore our other tutorials to get the most out of your DbSchema experience.